In today's video, we're going to be talking about all things coming soon to the Sherman area. From a minor league baseball team, 2 new resorts coming to Lake Texoma, Sherman has rolled out a way that you can track all their projects they have going on, and you'll want to stay till the end because there's a new winery coming to town. I'm Amanda Phillips, a local real estate agent, and I'm your connection to the Sherman community. Sherman is growing at a rapid pace right now, so let's talk about the projects that'll be breaking ground in 2024. First off, Sherman will have a minor league baseball team by spring of 2024. We're so excited to have America's pastime right in the heart of the city. The games will be played at Veterans Field at Fairview Park. Recently, they started renovations on the stadium. There'll be new seating, concessions, there's going to be a beer garden, and also they're going to be bringing in containers to put luxury box seating. The team hosted a public naming contest, and the official name is the Sherman Shadow Cats. Season tickets are on sale now. Speaking of sports, the Sherman ISD will break ground on their new stadium this spring. In 2023, a bond was passed to add a new stadium plus several other projects, but the stadium breaks ground this spring. The field is already in place, so we will be adding 8,000 to 9,000 seats to the stadium, plus concession stands and new locker rooms. The ISD hopes to host not only our home football games, but also local area playoff games. Along with the stadium, 2 new elementary schools will be added to the Sherman ISD area. One will be in Southeast Sherman and the other will be added at Heritage Ranch. This construction starts this spring along with the brand new Fairview Elementary and Crutchfield Elementary schools. With the growth coming to Sherman, we're excited to hear the announcement of additional recreation and entertainment to the area. Denison recently announced a $6 billion project that includes a Margaritaville Resort just north of Sherman at Lake Texoma. Developers have purchased 3,000 acres of shoreland for this project. This project will include 7,500 new homes and apartments, retail and restaurant options, an upscale marina, and it'll be anchored by a $100 million, 250-room Margaritaville Resort. Groundbreaking is scheduled for late 2024. And just across the lake on the Oklahoma shores, Point Vista Development has recently announced the Hard Rock Hotel at Lake Texoma. Construction starts on this project March of 2024 and completion is scheduled for August of 2026. This project includes 19 miles of shoreline, a golf course, indoor water park, family recreation center, an amphitheater, casino, and more. It's projected to create over 9,000 jobs for the area. All of these projects are coming in the near future thanks to projects we already have in the works. Let's give a quick update on those. Globitech is building an expansive silicone wafer facility right here in Sherman. The $1 billion first phase is scheduled to be completed December 31st of 2025. This total $5 billion project is being built in 4 phases and will create 1,500 jobs. Upon completion, it will be 3 million square feet and they will produce 300 millimeter silicone wafers. Wafers are specifically for the TI plant being built just south in Sherman. The first phase of this plant is well underway and scheduled completion is August of 2024. This phase at TI includes a 1.5 million square foot fabrication facility, support buildings, and a clean room. If you want to know more about the TI plant, click here and watch this video. With these major projects moving along, new housing additions are progressing also. One in particular is Bel Air Village. The master plan community will include a beach club, which the city of Sherman recently approved the site plan for. This is a huge step for the development. It's set to be a 3.5 acre body of water with room for pedal boats and floating obstacle courses. The plan is for the people to hit the beach by 2026. With all of these projects, plus new housing developments being added regularly, the city of Sherman has created a website where the public can track these projects, see new ones added, and get updates regularly. One last new announcement. Landon Winery recently released that they are repurposing land at the North Texas Logistics Park to include some amazing entertainment and restaurant space, including a winery, distillery, outdoor seating, walking paths, and space for live entertainment. I can't wait for all the new projects to get underway. More and more businesses and events are coming to Sherman as it grows. I'll do my best to keep you updated as they add projects. If you're wondering about future neighborhoods with all this growth, watch this video and click subscribe to keep up to date with all things coming soon to Sherman.